In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Notewise app. So if you are experiencing any issues with your Notewise app, maybe the app is not opening, it can't respond, or it is too slow, or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, there are quite a number of methods or ways to do this. In the first method, we shall access the app info page. To do this, just go ahead and long press on your app. You should see app info here. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. In the first step, we want to clear the app data, more especially the cache data. So you can see the clear data option is here. But if I go to storage option here, you can see a breakdown of data used by this app. Of importance is this cache data, and when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your Notewise app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. However, when these files accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data down below here and choose the second option, clear cache, then OK, and then restart your smartphone and go ahead and open your Notewise app, and this should have fixed your problem. However, should you still experience any challenge, then you might want to come down here and clear all data, and then this should fix your problem. But should this not work, then you need to go ahead and look for any update for this app, either through Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Play Store and open it, then search for Notewise app. And as you can see, the app is here. However, I do not have any update. Should you find an update, go ahead and update it, and this will go ahead and install the latest version of your app on your smartphone. By doing this, you'll be able to fix any issues or fix incompatibility that your app might be having if you're using an outdated version of Notewise app. In most cases, now this should fix all issues. However, should you experience issues such as your app is still crashing, then go ahead and uninstall this app all at once and then install it afresh on your phone. So by using any of these methods, now you should be able to have the app running without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.